Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Optimus Prime Truck. It's from the movie Transformers by Hot Wheels and it's new for 2025. It looks like a nice casting and I know it does come with a trailer too, like a different set. But I found this one, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Optimus Prime Truck out of its box. Uh, It's one of the newer movies which this truck isn't based on because if you remember the older one, those had trucks with long nose for Optimus Prime. These are like, I think these are called forward controls. Yeah. So this is like, the truck is actually a older one. The movie is the newer one. So it does have the color of Optimus Prime, red, blue. Uh, you also get the Autobots sticker on both the sides. If you look at the front, it's actually an older truck. You can see here the older design, chrome bumper, chrome grille. Does have good details like the headlamps, which look like eyes. You got windshield wipers, some marker lamps on the top, horn on the top too. I can't really see the interior because it's tinted black, so I don't know what there is in the interior. But this is how it looks from the. I'm assuming this is not the driver's side. Uh, you get these wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels, and they look all right here. You can see there's a door, looks like some toolboxes, tank, step to get on in. This is how it looks from the back. So uh, you can see the exhaust stalks. You can see the blue chassis, I would say. You can see this chrome base here too. Don't see any tail lamps or anything. And this is how the driver side looks. Kind of looks identical to me. This looks from the top. And this is how it looks from the bottom. I don't know if that's engine or something else. It might be the head. Yeah, it looks like the head of the Optimus Prime. You see there. So in actual, like if you get the actual Transformer toy, this truck, opens up and becomes a Autobot, which is Optimus Prime, a robot basically. This one doesn't open up. This is basically just the truck, which it turns back to once he has to drive or go somewhere, I guess, or hide in the daylight. But yeah, it does look good. It's a movie vehicle, and those are always exciting to get, I guess. Well, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.